Hello everyone, I am Kaushik and you are watching Learn on Tube. So today is 23rd December and day after tomorrow will be 25th, that is Christmas. So wish all of you Merry Christmas. So for this festive purpose, today we will learn the guitar tabs of one of the most popular Christmas songs, that is Jingle Bells. Now the tabs which I have prepared for today's lesson, those are very easy, perfectly suitable for the beginners. And if you like today's lesson, if you like my videos, do make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button too. The red color subscribe button you can find below, and once you click the subscribe button, a bell button will appear. Also make sure to hit that bell button so that you are notified with a notification whenever I upload any video on this channel. And do let me know your valuable comments, your feedbacks, what you think, what improvement I should incorporate in my videos, and if you think those are okay, do let me that also in the comment section below. So now let's play the song on guitar now. Hope you have liked the song, hope you have liked the way I have played it. I have kept it pretty simple so that even the beginners can play it on guitar. Now let's check out Jingle Bells Guitar Tabs.